Just yes, yes. It's strong. Yeah, proper. I'm thinking introduction is strong on go. It was not even planned. Yeah, that's a Chrysler. I think it's the V6 or V8 Vision and the research account. Maybe 300 something SL. AI strong. Yeah, I'm kind of topic. This thing ako umelele at the moment. Hey, I'm pala swa jika swa jik. And the magaling ako umelele under Ben Mayengani fence. Leswi nga ku humeleleni Ben Mayengani fence sweswi swi fana leswi nga ku humeleleni ka ANC leswi nga ku endlekeni sweswiwa. I'm not sure what's happening mara leswi nga ku humeleleni. What do I mean? Ben Mayengani fence now are divided. Leswi nga ku humeleleni Ben Mayengani fence somehow they are now divided. I'm not sure what actually like happened. Ku nga ku ri ncini leswi nga endla ku va ze va divide, but they are divided. So ndani kana ni nyika my perspective based on leswi ni nga fika ni swi observe. Yeah, so ni kha ni langutisa in overall loko ni kha ni langutisa ka online, more especially Facebook, because mina na ti-fans hinkwato under my friends list, like na ti-fans ta Beni, na ti-fans ta Mr Coast, both big fans and those ones who are close. So ni kha ni languta ti-fans ta Beni and the president to tala la ti kombela ku se they've given up in a way yo vele ku pfumeleni ku phosa di va hlurile. Hi leswi nga swi na ku swilo leswi va swi pakwe kahle. This is not from my side, because from my side mina I'm giving them 50-50 for now. However, when we look based on the majority, then I want the first the president online, they look for me and I got the win. They look for me with the win. Let's figure out to session go. They look for me with the win. Majority. You defend the president. They look for me with the win. Defense letter of this sarin la ko defense mo ko leti ya me beninga ko di close na. Can I say the top ones in a way you have a relationship na Benin and the president? I'm sure you are a big fan, but you don't have any relationship with the artist. Relationship. So, the relationship come right. Such as Voma Jomela. We can speak about heavy bamboo, tuvi, such people who form and stuff like that. We want to come ride. However, the other big fans, because they don't have a relationship with Ben Mayengani, like Abachavu, Mangala Shigero, and friendship, Abachavu Kombisago, we say Dravona, Babui. I think it's got a big case, and then comes more especially in the perspective of the people. They agree that Babui. So this one comes to one. I'm not sure if that's actually the case or what, but it leaves. So do I agree or do I disagree? I'm not sure if I can agree or disagree on that matter. When I'm come to about the little and overall go. So now there's a division, and this division to continue. To continue more, especially if the president continues. In self-defense. So defense lava and so very, very easy. What defense want is very, very clear. I was going to defense till lava go shove the good up for you. And the one can my research can on the cases come not very competent go Dr. Joshua Mayala Vega. Even though you forget in the mastering Avana issue na shona share. So even if you forget in the mastering and mixing, but Vanga right, this one comes in control. So it's also the magazine being that's what you need to understand, because look, division is a stronger division here continue, and look, division yours you na solution ya straight so on nagaswilo man kuman because look it means if we born next year there's a high possibility ko vata ka team leyin'wana mai kumayana mhaka swi nga fika swi endleka na sweswo. So yeah, leswi na vula swona overall ku tirhisa division hi swilo leswi ni nga swi notice mina loko ni ri karhi ni nghena ka Facebook ni ri karhi ni langutisa. Yeah, so I also think there's a problem maybe with the major big fans I'm not sure how can I explain this problem. Maybe va chava ku yi byela president loko swin'wana swi bonisa swi ri clear swo hlava fika a assistiwa, but they did not say anything. Ma yi vona yena. So I think we're done. A ka nga ri nga ta xi vula than ku mi wastela data. Loko ku ri a mi nga za subscribe a ni ta kombela mi tika subscribe.